Hello, this is Habiba Akhtar Shathi. I'm the founder and designer of Silkworm, and this is my story. I started back in 2020 in the lockdown period last year. So it's been 10 months. I've been working on my brand new idea that where customer can customize their own design. Also, they can select from my own design line, and this is really unique in terms of customer can provide their own measurements. They can select prints, colors, and any designs they want. Even in my design line, they can modify a bit of design, colors options and sizes options. Girls of our country is doing shopping from abroad, importing those branded clothes. So I used to think, why in our country there's no such designer, such brand who focuses on those kind of Western designs. So this is how I started. So the interesting story behind it, that I started with my pocket money, only 3,000 taka, and I worked on a few designs, like 3-4 designs, and one of them was sleeve dress, and it went a major hit. And this is how I started coming up with new unique designs, and after that I worked around 500 designs, since I do customization designs for my clients. So now after 10 months my brand worth more than 5 lakhs, and currently it's online based, but we'll be coming up with our outlet really soon. The struggle I faced, that I am focusing on few particular designs that are Western based, sleeveless, and like modern fashion designs that are practiced in Western fashion. And so in our country there's culture, we are a bit of conservative. I also belong from a conservative family. So currently I've been working on my new venture, which is Jade Modern, which will be modern bridal wear that we don't see actually in the country. So I recently worked for a client. Besides my businesses, I also study in BRAC University in BBA. So this interesting question I always get, that why in fashion designing from being a BBA student. So I had this interest in fashion designing when I started doing 2-3 designs. I feel like people are appreciating and people coming to me, reaching out to me. So that really made me feel good about the whole thing. So after that, one by one coming up with unique designs, I felt like this is my passion, this is the interest I had that I never saw. So this is how I discovered my passion and working on my passion job. And I created sample, I practice on designing, I practice how to cut high fashion designs, and I had to learn the whole thing before launching these ideas with Silkworm. So my future plan with Silkworm and Jade Modern is that I want to come up with a website যেখানে সবাই কাস্টমাইজ করতে পারবে, কালার চেঞ্জ করতে পারবে. There will be plenty of sizes and they can design their own stuff. Also I have a plan that I want to open an outlet. I really want to change the fashion industry of Bangladesh. A thing I'm working on with plus size girls, that I have even 7XL sizes for them, and all are made from scratch. The logistic I have, first I take the order from clients and bring the materials and everything. Then I make the final product for the customer according to her design, her choices and her sizes. We'll always work for the girls out there who has plus size body. I have the message for the young people out there. See, I came from BBA background, and I have been working on this fashion designing sector So I figured that out for myself. So I would suggest the young people out there to go for their passion and hobbies and try to gain skills as much as possible doing networking with people and figure out what they love to do. Thank you, Decopedia, for giving me an opportunity to share my story.